What's up, guys? Brian, Callahan Garage here. Today we're on my wife's 2019 Chrysler Pacifica. I'm going to show you guys how to change the HID headlight. All right, first things first, you gotta take off this little cover. It's a 10 millimeter. If I can get it off. So this whole cover comes off. And then way down here, you find a little, I don't know if you guys can see that. It's basically a little screw cover. And then inside there is actually going to be the bulb, and you've got to twist it just to the right. This is where I take my big hands and try to get them in there and realize my hands are too big. Cue smaller hands person. Just a small edit here. You've actually got to screw it to the left, which is counterclockwise. Just spin in one little way, and then you should be able to pull it right back. Perfect.
You mean pull it out?
Yeah, pull it straight out. Probably won't come out all the way. Let me take a look. So I know it's tight, but it will actually come out with the clip on. So now just have to pull a little harder. Now we just unclip it, clip the new one in, and slide it in. So you can actually put the clip on with the bulb outside, and if you pull a little bit harder, there's just enough room. Y'all can't really see that, but just enough room where else you pull it, it'll slide right in. And now you just need some of the small hands to push it in the rest of the way. All right. So you click it back in, and they all work. It takes about 10 minutes. The only thing you really need is a 10 millimeter socket and somebody with small hands. Thanks, small hands. Thanks for watching Callahan Garage.